Hi, in front of me is VIVAX Fly 6 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type edges. And download this app from this developer. Open it. Click on this theme, then name it and tap OK Creative. Now you can customize your edges however you want to. You can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and even adjust them to the notch. When you're done, click Create. Now tap on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then set wallpaper, and now you need to decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the same app, choose Home, then scroll all the way down, click on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App, then choose Yes. Click on the switcher next to Allow Display over other apps and go back. Then click on the same switcher one more time. And now as you can see, I can see my edges even when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!